Wow, that's yellowed. That is outside just a little more, and we get it like yo, we back with another video. And today we have a video on how to unfog the fog on the fog bubble of the Air Jordan 13s. So let's get into the video. Now, this is a problem that I heard a lot of people run into, and they never know how to fix it. And it's literally the easiest step. So I'm just go over the shoe and show you what we looking like. So this is the one that looks all right. You can see the Jumpman, you can see the 23. And then I'm gonna show you what this one looks like that I need to correct. Like, wow, that's yellowed. That is fogged up. But I'm gonna show you how to do it. So the first step of getting this is getting you a hair dryer. So you need this on the hottest setting, but you gotta keep going on and back off of it. Just like this, on and then back off, okay? I'm gonna do it and I'm gonna let y'all listen to it, and I'll be back with y'all in a second. So by now, doing it a couple times, you can see it's getting a little glossy, but it's not where I want it. So I'm gonna keep doing the exact same thing. You're gonna be on it and then off it, on it and off it. Okay, now this is how it looks after the second session. With this focus in, boom. Now you can actually see the Jumpman. But we just got one more session, so hopefully it's done after this last one. You didn't even see the rainbow coloring on it. Now just after a couple sessions, you can see this is coming back to life. I'm gonna say that boy is good. So I'm gonna just go over it on the outside just a little more, and we get it like this. So I was looking at it, I was like, dang, that one looks so good. I want to go in and do the left side too, just to make it look even better, right? Because that's a little glossy, but it don't hurt to do some more, right? So let me show y'all how this other one can turn out. So now, since we got this one looking better than it did earlier, that is it for the video on how to fix the fog bubble on Air Jordan 13s. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want more like it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching the video. Till next time. Bye.